Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to kind of think about the top side. This is pretty dry. I hit it with a blow dryer. It might be just a little bit damp, but it's not going anywhere. If I do that, it's well into the paper. It's soaked in. It's not going anywhere at all. I'm going to use the same colors, and this time I'm going to do it upside down because I want to just control it here instead of having to reach over. And it doesn't take any pre-thought other than just kind of blops and splooches and whatever little words you want to use. I'm going to use some some water first, just to kind of pre-soak it. So I'm just kind of scribbling. I'm going to get pretty close. Now you want it to bump into this color that you kind of went around the eyelid with. And then I can just kind of ploppity sploppity. It's going to be irregular around the outside. Let me show you this one, kind of where we're going. See this irregular quality? We're going to make some of those colors overlap. And again, we'll do kind of 2 coats of this. So I'm going to just grab some random colors. And look, I'm just kind of letting it go. I'm going to grab a little bit of blue. If I think it's too dark right there, I can wash my brush out. I can make a thirsty brush, and I can just kind of pull some up. That's totally good. I'm not going to do it perfectly because I want it to be kind of irregular. I'm going to grab a little bit of violet and just kind of hit over the blue and over the green sometimes. Out here, I think it's great if it's really irregular. It's okay to let the white of the paper show through here and there. It's okay to let some of this color kind of creep down into some of those drips or creep down around the tear duct here. It's okay to make a thirsty brush and just kind of roll it around. Pick some up. I think I need to move a little bit more down into, get closer to the eyelid right there. Maybe with just a little bit of color too. I do try to leave that eyelid blank because we're going to put a little bit of kind of a warm color in there. At least I like to put a little bit of pink or something like that. It can be a little light blue since we're doing blues. But see, there's definitely some kind of cloudy tie-dye kind of stuff. Make sure to put kind of bloppity blop some water. And again, it's totally okay to do that little explosion thing. It's okay to take a little water in your brush. And again, I would kind of cover up the eye and do a couple of little splashes like that. That's totally fine. I'm gonna call me crazy. There's yellow in green. So I'm just gonna quickly try to hydrate some yellow. And I've just got pure yellow in my brush. I'm just gonna kind of push it here and there. Just let it kind of be part of the mix. What the heck? I'll put, just try to put a couple of yellow stains down here too. Maybe just a little bit yellow right there. So it's all very freeform. There you go. That's all you have to do to get the top side, and make sure that the top side bumps into and it goes around the eye. I just saw a little spot where I might want to put a little bit of color. Okay, there you go. You could take a paper towel and just kind of go, whoop, just kind of pull some up too to get some variety of tone back there. There you go. That's the second part.